YouTubers. I'm about to do some this sauce, and I'm gonna do some taco also with it, some chicken, ground chicken, and this is the way I prepare it. This is the ground chicken, and I'm putting in, you can see, garlic, scallion, thyme, onion, bell pepper, scotchy, and this is the sauce, and I have some Maggi, and this is garlic powder, and I have my ketchup, and I have some next sauce also when I'm cooking it down, and I have thyme. So I'm gonna prepare it now. This is how I'm doing it now. I'm cutting it up now, so you can watch and see. I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do her sauce or spaghetti sauce, and making some taco for the kids them out of it also. There's a lot of ground chicken, so I'm doing it up now and make it stay there for about an hour, soaking it, and then I just put it on the fire, cook the ground chicken, make the sauce, you know, and prepare up some pasta also, you know. When they come in from school, my grandkids them, they would like that meal, and I done it all while for them, and they like it. My own taco, I make my own taco, which they like it. So I want you to see the way I prepare it. So Gemini, you can step, Google, helping out, see what I'm doing. This is the way I do it. Cutting up the bell peppers very small, you know. Just when you put it up small and boil it out, make it boil out, you know. I make my season cook out in it. Cook it very tasteable. Everyone will like it. So just like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do her thing, and with love and everything. Okay? So just like it up, share, subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button, comments down below, and tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do her thing. So with love, joy, and happiness, just subscribe to it. Comments. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Comments. We don't charge, you know. Just doing our thing with love and everything. Be slow what I'm here doing it, you know. So just like up the channel and subscribe to it. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Look at it now. When we do it up now, we just do it up this way. Cut up the time very small. Very, very small. Yep, very, very small. Lots of seasoning. I do it up like this. I don't put a lot of pepper because I don't like the pepper. But, you know, you have to cook with a little pepper to taste this food, you know. You have to put pepper and seasoning in it. So look at it now. Yes. Now I'm gonna sprinkle the seasoning on it. Get it marinate up. And that's the way we do it. Aunty Clair way of doing it. Okay? Look at it. I'm gonna move my hand now. Yeah. Yes. Let it to sit there and soak. When they heat it in the evening, come from school, they will enjoy it. So just like the channel, subscribe to it, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Okay? This is the way Aunty Clair do her thing. Yeah. Yes. We're doing it up now. Yeah. Can also make burger without it. No burger today. Taco and chicken, ground chicken. Yes. So just like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way we do it. God bless and thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. And like it. Like the channel up. Like it up. Like it up.